Welcome to SaadX. This video we are going to simplify following exponential expression. Let's start. Here is three fraction. First one 1 by 1 plus a to the power y minus z plus a to the power y minus x plus 1 by 1 plus a to the power z minus x plus a to the power z minus y plus 1 by 1 plus a to the power x minus y plus a to the power x minus z. So each fraction we have to simplify. So first one, look, 1 by 1 plus a to the power y minus z plus a to the power y minus x. So we have to make a common thing, all the fraction. So here is 1 and here is y minus z and here is y minus x. But if you make like this, a to the power minus y, if you multiply a to the power minus y, this fraction, it means a to the power minus y, and here is 1 plus a to the power y minus z plus a to the power y minus x, right? Similar thing, plus here is 1 by 1 plus a to the power z minus x, and here is a to the power z minus y. So here z is plus, but if we write like this, a to the power minus z, so we are multiplying by a to the power minus z. So here is also 1 plus a to the power z minus x plus a to the power z minus y, plus here we are multiplying by a to the power minus y in first fraction, second fraction a to the power minus z, and look, in third fraction x are positive and minus y and minus z. So similar thing, we can write a to the power minus x. We can multiply denominator and numerator, so a to the power minus x, and here is 1 plus a to the power x minus y plus a to the power x minus z. Okay, so now look, once we multiply this one, here is a to the power minus y, and here a to the power minus y times 1, so it means a to the power minus y, plus here a to the power y minus z. Once we multiply as per exponential law, look, a to the power y minus z times a to the power what, minus y. So what will happen here, base are same, so power will be add in product. So a to the power y minus z plus, here is plus, it means here is minus, it will be minus, so minus and plus y will be out, so here will be only a to the power minus z, right? So here is minus y plus here is a to the power minus x, and here is minus y. So first fraction done. Second fraction a to the power minus z, so we can write a to the power minus z plus a to the power z minus x minus z plus a to the power z minus y minus z, plus here is a to the power minus x, so here a to the power minus x plus a to the power x minus y minus x, and plus here will be a to the power x minus z minus x. Okay, so all the parts here, plus y minus y out, plus y minus y out, here z and minus z out, z and minus z out, x minus x out, x minus x out. Now look at the surprising matter, is a to the power minus y, so here is a to the power minus y plus here both y done, it means deduct, so we can write a to the power minus z plus here is a to the power minus x plus here a to the power minus z, so here is a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus y, plus a to the power minus x. So here is a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z. Now look, all the denominator are same, so it's a very easy thing that once we make LCM, so a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z, right? So here is a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus x. So numerator and denominator are same, so we can divide each other, so we will get 1. So our answer is what? 1. Very interesting math, and I love this math. It's a very important math also, so you should keep practice at home, otherwise you will make mistake. So be careful about plus and minus, it's a very important thing. So thank you very much. No more today. This math we are trying to solve, and by this channel, it means SaadX, you will get lots of math these types of. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.